Hello friends, welcome back to my channel CRM Cloud Tech. In this video, we will learn about how we can create a user in Azure directory and how we can assign a license to that particular user and how we can manage that user in Azure directory. And later we will assign that, we will add that user in MSCRM using Power Platform, and we will assign some security roles over there. So let's begin to create the user in Azure directory. So this is Azure directory. I click on that Azure directory. So when you are working with Azure portal, you should have a question to create user and in Azure directory. So you can manage this Azure directory here. This is my tenant ID and all. Then you need to go to our users. So whatever users already have created, you can see that here. Okay, I have created the user before. I will now click on new user, create user. I can create any user. Okay, so I will create user, save user. So I will just give email ID, save user. Okay, so email ID will be salesUser@t20icc.com. So this is my test trial account. So this domain is come to the trial account like this. So what the name sales user. I can also give name another of the like CRM trial. Okay, so CRM trial. I can choose the password. I will manually type the password. You can choose auto-generate password. The password will be sent to that particular email. Because this is my trial account, so I am creating here. And when you are working with some organization, you should have that email domain available. What you will do is you will need to create that. Automatically email will be created, and it also will be created for that user, and email will be sent to that user. Okay. So here we have just mentioned some details over there, and also we have set the password. But to assign a license to user, you should have always mentioned assign a user location. So what I did, I just mentioned set the user location without mentioning user's location to user. You cannot assign the license to user. So just my work has completed. You can also assign some groups here over there. I will tell you later what are the groups available of how we can create the group and what is the users of that. So now my work has completed here. So create user, I will click create button and it will create a user for me. So already 3 users are there. So it will take some couple of seconds and it will give us a user. See, our user has created. We have created just now this user here. This user at T20icc on Microsoft. Now we will open that user. We can get some personal details here also. What is email ID, name, and all. So this is the email. This is object ID to the user, and we can also get the user account status is enabled. Now we will assign a license to user. So open the user and go to left panel, click on licenses. Okay. Yeah, right now user does not have any license available. So we will click on assignment. Yeah, whatever license you have in your tenant, that will show here. You can click any one of that license. You can untick as per your requirement. I am just for test purpose I am selecting all and save it. Now the license has added to the user. So without adding license user, you cannot add user to MS Dynamics using platform. because it does not meet the requirement. Because to add the user in Power Platform, user should have the license. Any license should have. So see here, it will also take some couple of seconds, and it will be added. See, my license has added. Okay, now what will we do? You can perform many action here. This is the user management section in Azure Directory. You can assign some application there. You can assign some groups over there. You can also manage Azure roles. What are the roles? Not only CRM, you can also assign some Azure roles. Means through this account, I am able to manage users. I can create user, delete users, and also you can manage some roles. So you can give some roles to this user particular. You go to the assigned roles, and you can give some many users. Many roles are available. The most highest privileged role is global administrator in Azure Directory. If you give this one to any user, that means user can manage all the Azure sections to use. Can manage all the aspects of Azure AD and Microsoft services that use Azure AD. So this role gives the highest privilege to the user. Okay, so now our user has created. Now let's add this user in Power Platform. So we'll copy the email here. We will go to Power Platform. We will go to particular environment. In which environment we have to add that user. Okay. So we have already give the user license, and user have the license. So now we will add a user in our environment. So this is our environment. I will add this user in this environment. So we will click on environment. So we will open the particular environment, and we will go to the user. See all user, setting, and all user. Okay. You can check the path: environment, particular environment, setting, and user. Already 3 users are here. You can see. Then I will add the user here. Add user. I will paste that email ID here, and I will select the user in prompt, and I will add the user. So if the user does not have the license, so it will throw error here. That it will show that user does not meet the requirement to add the user in the platform. So the environment is directly connected to the MSCRM. This is MS Dynamics environment. I will show you how we can log in there, and we can get the complete overview of the adding user to working with that user. So first, what we have created? We have created user. We have assigned a license to user, and we have added user to environment using Power Platform. And now user have added. We can give. Right now we do have only one business unit available, so automatically it is assigned. If you are working with some organization, they definitely have some different business unit available. So you can add that accordingly. So I have a business unit already added. So now I will give the security roles. These are the security roles. You can see that all security listed below. This is most popular dynamic app, 365 app for Outlook user, and this is also most popular. So I will give sales supervisor app access and this to use 2 roles, and sales manager also. Right now I am just giving the sales access to user. So we will see what module he is able to access. Definitely he will be able to access sales module. So I am saving. Okay, now user have the privileges to access the Dynamics CRM. So we will go to the our environment. We will copy. We will open our environment using this email ID. sorry, it is my bad. My CRM has some. My internet is some. Okay. Let's copy this URL. I open the window because I have already opened my trial account. Okay, I copy it. So I will open that environment URL. I will paste this email ID here. I will put the password. Okay, first time when you log in, it will ask you to change your password. First time. So I just change my password. So now just how you can change your password while updating, while logging first time. Now you can see my URL is opening with that environment, and we will check and we will see that whatever privilege we have given to user, he is able to access or not. I have given sales privileges. You can give customer privilege also, all the security roles if you know what. Later we will make a video on security privileges and security roles. So you should have better understanding that what are the security roles and why we are using that security role. So here I have given the only sales role. So now he is able to access account entity and sales. So if you click on this is the application icon. You can click on that. So now you can see he is able to access the sales module only. If I talk about many modules, what are the many modules are available in the MSCRM. So I have some security admin privileges in my some other account. I will show you what are the modules available in my tenant. So see here different modules I have available: customer, dynamic customer, customer service hub, customer service workspace, trial, and all that. But that particular user have only the sales hub privileges because we have given only sales security role. And for that account, I have a security system administrator role. So system administrator can access all the environment, all the modules, and all the data in the CRM module. So we can create the lead, we can create the opportunity here, all that. So in this video, that is enough, and we have completed end-to-end process to create the user and add that user in platform, and we have also checked the user is working with that sales or their assigned privilege. So let's meet in another video. We will bring something new for you, that is always user has problem, and we will definitely give something different and interesting things to you. So thank you guys.